as you can see from your screen, President Uhuru Kenyatta is finally arriving at the Nyeri approved school where the body of the late President Mwai Kibaki has just arrived. But now on the screen you can see the wife of the former Prime Minister during Kibaki's tenure, that is Raila Odinga, Ida Odinga, together with her husband Raila Odinga, also making their way into the venue. Already the body has arrived. It is inside the dome, which means that the military or the official event is almost starting now. As you can see, that's a body that is draped with our national flag. You know, at any moment now we should be handing you over to the Nyeri approved school for the team that is there to take over so that they can guide us, because that is where actually the event is. But before we do so, I think I would want to give a minute each to the team that we have been having here. Professor Mwai Kibaki, a former advisor to the late President Mwai Kibaki, and that's inside on your screen, that is Raila Odinga paying his tribute or his last respect to the departed president. And of course, as I was saying, final remarks from Professor Mwai Kibaki and Joshua Toro Engineer before now we hand over to the approved school. Yes, and I'll start with Michael.
Thank you, Brian. We say goodbye.